if you came to discover about the One Funnel Away Challenge, welcome to my review series where I'm going to take you behind the scenes as I go through the challenge and walk you through it week by week. The portion of the challenge that I am currently in right now is what's called the pre-training, which means I just purchased the challenge, and what I'm going to do today is show you all of the bonuses, all of the goodies, all of the pre-training activities you get to go through before even starting the challenge. And if you see right here, we're on the One Funnel Away Challenge page, and it's 5 days before I actually start this challenge, and I signed up a few days earlier. Guys, if you don't know me, my name is Frank from the Digital Boss Life. What I help you do is flex your money making muscles with affiliate marketing, and we're talking about the One Funnel Away Challenge. If you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can work with me in addition to Russell and his team as you go through this challenge. All right, so if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to let you know how you can do that. I will also leave a link down below. If you are interested in the One Funnel Away Challenge, you can click that link and get into the challenge and get my goodies and my bonuses to go along with that. And of course, while we're at it, subscribe to this channel so you can get more information like this. So again, if you guys have been following my content, you know I'm a big fan of the One Funnel Away Challenge. This is actually my second time through the challenge. Second time going through, beginning to end. I've actually purchased it more than 2 times, but somehow didn't get into it a time or two. But this is my second time through the challenge, and I purchased a few days back. I did a video which I called an overview. This is what we're calling a review right here. So this is an actual review of the challenge. I did an overview video. I'll leave a link up here somewhere so you can check that out, where you actually see me purchase this challenge a couple days back. But let's get into what we got here, right? So the first thing you get once you purchase the challenge, it's $99, and I truly believe it's one of the most valuable things that you can invest in online. But you're going to get an email from Russell saying you're in. Welcome to the OFA Challenge, and just look at all the stuff that we're going to get, right? So the first link here is the pre-training one pager, right? So let's look at that pre-training. Before we get started inside of One Funnel Away, complete this one pager before the challenge starts, right? And a video of Russell here, motivational video, and then just look at all this stuff that you get when you purchase this challenge, right? You get a 5-day lead challenge, and this is a pretty serious training right here. Like, this first video is 50 minutes. You know, this is a legit challenge training on how to start to build leads, right? Get leads into your business and sell your products and sell your services for the One Funnel Away Challenge, or after you build your funnel, right? This is a pretty serious training that's going to get you building your following, developing your brand, building your leads, right? So that comes with it. Then over here, Russell's got a video about, you know, how to improve your belief, right? So mindset stuff. Very important stuff when it comes to building a business online. Really kind of opens up your mind to what the possibilities are. Here's another kind of motivational video, and he teaches you, you know, how far away or how close you are, just one funnel away, right, to changing your business and changing your life. So big time motivational video right there. And this third section right here, video number 3, this used to be in the challenge. I know the challenge has been adjusted. This is challenge One Funnel Away Challenge 2.0. I did it, I guess, when it was 1.0, and I remember this stuff in the first week of the challenge. And it's about who, not how, right? So what this teaches you is how to delegate, right, or outsource, and put people around you to help you with this project of building your funnel. I've been in business for 12 years. I'm used to having a team around me. And when I tell you that being able to delegate, outsource, get a team of people around you to help you with your vision is one of the most valuable skills that you could develop. And this is a really important training right here. He also introduces you to the Funnel Rolodex, which is basically their Fiverr, their Upwork, where all people who do outsourcing or have various skills, from video editing to graphic design to creating ebooks. All these people are inside the funnel Rolodex, so you can easily put together the pieces that you need to build this funnel, right? So this is a really important training right here. And this is just the pre-training. The actual training didn't even start, right? So let's go back to the email. Then they put you into the One Funnel Away 2.0 private Facebook group, right? So here's the group right here. And you see there's 183 people signed up for this specific challenge already. And there is still 5 days to go here, 5.5 days to go just about. So more people will be in this challenge, right? This probably be 1,000 people in this challenge starting on September 6th of 2021. And these challenges go, once one challenge ends, another one gets scheduled and started just a couple weeks later, right? So these go every couple weeks. You can get into this One Funnel Away challenge. And you see here they introduce you to the coaches, Lee, Morag, and Eli. These guys are awesome. In the last challenge, they were there. And look, it's already scheduled. There's a live coaching call every single day, right? There's Monday, there's Tuesday. There's two coaching calls on Tuesday. And if I open this, okay, I didn't really want to go there, but you see the coaching calls are already scheduled daily. This is in addition to the trainings that you get from Russell, from Jim Edwards, from Steve Largent, I believe his name is. Awesome guy, totally motivational. He pretty much leads the whole thing. But every day you get trainings from those guys, and then you can do live Q&A with these coaches on Facebook, right? So you get a lot of support here. You see people are already in here talking to the coaches and asking questions. There's going to be a ton of people in here commenting and posting things, right? A lot of value and resources here just in the Facebook group alone. So let's check out this email again, right? And then the OFA bonus area. So you see in the sales page itself, promise you a bunch of bonuses. It's around here somewhere. Okay, here we go. So all this stuff is in the bonus area, right? So I logged in and just look at what we have. Look at what you have available for a $100 investment, right? The 30 days summit interviews, and this is interviews with top marketers. Garrett J. White is big, and there's probably a lot of huge people if I don't mention their name. Steve Larson is who I just mentioned, who pretty much leads this whole challenge as a motivational guy, right? Rachel Peterson's amazing. Peng Joon is amazing. Dan Henry, everybody knows him. Spencer Meacham is a big time affiliate marketer. I do affiliate marketing in my network. He's awesome. This guy right here is Pat Rigsby. He was actually my first business mentor back when I was in the fitness industry, right? And Pat's big time in the fitness industry. I transitioned from fitness to the make money online space. I've also worked with lots of people, mostly in the fitness industry, but in marketing and sales as well, right? And Pat was my first mentor, right? So he's pretty awesome, and he's an interview in this 30-day .com summit interviews, right? With just top marketers all over the world. This comes along with the challenge, right? Then there's the affiliate bootcamp, and I'm just going to click right here and let that come up, I believe. Let me try to pull that up, access that. So you have to log in to get into this. But if you're into affiliate marketing, this is a 30-day interview series with the top affiliate marketers on exactly how to market ClickFunnels, right? So if you want to be an affiliate for ClickFunnels, which is one of the best products that you can promote because ClickFunnels is awesome, Russel Brunson and his team are the best marketers on the entire planet, right? This is why ClickFunnels is so awesome. It's because Russel Brunson is such an incredible marketer that you learn so many things that is valuable to your business, right? So when you log in, you got access, $100 you pay for the One Funnel Away challenge, along with all the stuff that you get in the challenge. You get this access to the affiliate bootcamp where they will teach you how to become an incredible affiliate for ClickFunnels, and you deal or you listen to all of these top experts, and they all have different and varying strategies to promote ClickFunnels. And when you hear one that you really vibe with, that's when you go with it, right? So you get access to that. And then the final thing is the brick and mortar all access here, right? So I'm going to click on that. And I come from the fitness world where I used to own a brick and mortar business, right? A local business, a gym facility. And if you have a local business, right, a lot of people use ClickFunnels from people that are more online and trying to go international all over the world, and your local businesses as well, because you guys need to collect leads, right, and generate business, and ClickFunnels is a great product to be able to do that, right? So the process of selling your products via funnel, building a offer, right? Sorry, tripping over my words, looking for the right word there, but building an offer and getting it in front of the right person at the right time is critical for all businesses, whether you're online, again, globally, international, or you're a local business. So this would be an awesome training for someone who's a local business and targeting those types of things, right? So I just want to kind of walk you guys through. This is the pre-training. This is the pre-training. Look at all this stuff, okay? This value that you get. And this is before. And when I tell you I've been through this challenge before, this is a lot of information. Okay, this is a lot of value. This is a lot of things you're going to be learning, and some of the most valuable things you can learn to build a business online. This challenge is absolutely incredible for the money that it costs versus the value that's in the challenge. It's a no-brainer, and this is exactly what Russel and ClickFunnels is teaching. They teach you how to put together an offer, right, where you stack together so much value that your potential customer has no choice but to pull out their credit card and pay you. That's what this is all about, right? Building an offer and putting it into a funnel, okay? And when you get the right offer in front of the right person at the right time, you can absolutely change your business and change your life. It is no BS. The One Funnel Away Challenge is one of the most incredible things that you can go through, right? And this is the pre-training right here. We will be getting started. We are 5 days out. 5 days out. I will be getting started, okay, going through this challenge, getting in the mud, getting in the muck, right? Getting the elbows dirty, right? Going through the challenge. And let me tell you guys about what I'm doing. So anyone who does this challenge, joins this challenge, and sends me an email at frank@thedigitalbosslife.com, I'm going to add in an additional coaching call with me where I do a Zoom session. Okay, and the difference here is that I'm going to be able to interact with you verbally to be able to help you manage the amount of information that's in this challenge and really help you select what are the more appropriate things for you to focus on, okay, and what you can kind of put on the back burner, right? So I'm going to help you through this challenge as well. We're going to do a weekly Zoom session with a group of people, taking a bunch of people through this challenge, okay? And again, I'm going to be helping you personally and verbally through this challenge. And when I say verbally, I mean the difference is the guys that you work with on Facebook, you can kind of type stuff in, but you can't verbally talk to them, right? So I'm going to help you guys through this challenge because I've been through it and I know it's a lot of information. It can be somewhat overwhelming at times, and that's what I'm here to do, help you through, coach you through it, okay, and have you focus on the appropriate thing that's going to help you maximize your One Funnel Away challenge to the utmost, right? So if you get into this, you're seeing this right now. Okay, right now we are in, I believe we're still in August. August 31st, this challenge starts September 6th. Okay, if you get into this challenge September 6th of 2021 with me, send an email to frank@thedigitalbosslife.com with your receipt, and I will get you into that weekly group call where I can help you through the challenge as well, in addition to all the value and stuff that Russel offers. All right, so I hope this video helped you out. Okay, this is the first video of the behind the scenes review of the One Funnel Away Challenge. If you're interested in the One Funnel Away Challenge, I will leave a link down below. Guys, appreciate the opportunity to chat with you today on YouTube. If you appreciate this video, head down below, subscribe to this channel, and I look forward to catching up with you on the next video.